Welcome to the unboxing. Hey, how's it going guys? I'm your host Kadir here. This is the day I've been looking forward to for quite a while now. I know this might not be the first iPhone SE unboxing video you're watching, but this might not also be the last. And this iPhone might not also represent the future of Apple smartphones, but you already knew that. So this is your first look at your unboxing experience of the new iPhone SE, and spoiler, it's pretty much exactly the same as the iPhone 8 was, and almost every other iPhone with earphones, adapters, regular literature, and a pair of Apple stickers that are all in the box. Except for the iPhone 11 Pro series, because it comes with 18-watt fast charger bundled in the box. And although the new iPhone SE supports 18-watt charging, but Apple being Apple will make you want to buy one, so there are no surprises here. As you can see, I opted for the black iPhone SE, mainly because it's a bit more discreet, understated, and toned down. But you can also opt for the white one, and of course the product red, which is also for a good cause. Now we all know the iPhone button placements. Looking at the screen itself, it has big bezels, at least by 2020 standards, and of course the return of Touch ID biometric scanner. On the right you have sleep wake button, and below that you have a SIM card tray. At the bottom you have your regular lightning charging port with the speaker and the microphone grills. On the left you have volume rockers and the ring mute switch. On the back of the iPhone it has a single rear camera, and the Apple logo has now moved down to the middle of the phone, as you can see, to match all of the newer iPhones. Talking about the phone itself, it's pretty hot right now, not only globally because of the price it carries, but also in India where it carries a very hefty price of 42,500 rupees, which is for the base storage of 64 gigabyte option. Because that not only transforms to $560 but that does mean that Apple wants Indian consumers to pay the same amount of money for the base storage option as compared to what consumers are paying in the US for the top of the line 256 gigabyte of the same iPhone SE. But then again, Apple has partnered with banks to give you some decent instant cashback. Also, not forgetting to mention, the OnePlus 8 price starts in India at around 42,000. That too for the base storage option of 128 gigabytes, excluding the cashback options, which not only undercuts the new iPhone SE in price, but also offers a lot of value for that amount of money for a lot of more customers. And when I say a lot of more customers, I mean particularly Android customers. But then again, we all know that Apple is a premium luxury brand, and that is also a reason iPhone SE was sold out in India in just a couple of days after launch. And that's not only because of what Apple has established itself as a brand in India, but also because iPhone SE is genuinely a good grab of a phone from Apple in a long time by a long shot, which nails all the basics and does even more. Obviously, I'll be using it as my daily driver over the next week, and hopefully will be giving you my honest review about it. Do make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when the review is up, and also do not forget to give a thumbs up to the video. Thanks for watching for the quick first impressions, and see you guys real soon.